Are you intimidated to sew elastic thread to make shirring? Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, creator of this channel to help you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. In this tutorial, we're going to sew the Evie shorts from scratch. The shorts feature a high-waisted silhouette that snugs nicely around your waist and has relaxed hip and leg openings. I use medium-weight linen fabric, but you can also use cotton, hemp, rayon, or any linen-blended natural fabrics are great alternatives. For this Evie shirt high-waist shorts tutorial, start by assembling the pattern pieces. To sew inseam pockets, place the right side of the pockets facing each other so you have two sets of pockets, one for each the right and left side. Pin around the curved edges on each pocket. Sew 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance by starting 3/8 of an inch away from the pocket opening on top and at the bottom. Finish with overlock stitch. To assemble shorts, place the right side of the front shorts and back shorts facing each other. Pin vertically on the notches of pocket opening, along the side seam of the shorts. Sew 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance along the side seam and stop until the pin mark. Leave a pocket opening to insert the pocket lining. To insert inseam pocket to shorts, lay front and back shorts open with the wrong side up. Slide the pocket opening seam allowance matching with side seam allowance and pin. Do the same on the opposite side. Sew 3/8 of an inch straight stitch and finish the seam allowances on both sides with overlock stitch. Press the seam allowance open and shape the pocket opening. To sew shorts, close the inseam with 3/8 of an inch seam allowance on both legs and overlock the raw edges together to prevent the fabric from fraying. Press the seams flat, folding the overlocked edges toward the back of the shorts. Turn the right shorts right side out and slip it into the left shorts, right sides facing each other. Pin the crotch seams together by matching the side seams and inseams. Use the notches to guide you along. To sew shirred around the waist, finish the edges of waist opening with double fold 1/4 inch and top stitch around. Give a nice press to remove any puckering or bubbling. Measure 3/8 of an inch away from the hemming and pin horizontally. This is where your first elastic thread stitching begins. Continue to measure 3/8 of an inch away from previous pin mark until you reach 6 rows. Prepare one blank bobbin by hand winding elastic thread gently without pulling until the bobbin is full. Adjust the sewing machine to 3.5 to 4 stitch length and start sewing 3/8 of an inch with 4 6 rows. Give a steam press by lifting the iron around the ruffle and elastic rows to shrink and tighten the waistband. To complete the DIY shorts, finish the cut edges on the opening of the shorts with overlock stitch on both legs. Fold 1/4 inch width towards the right side of the fabric and press with iron. Then, fold again 1 1/4 inch width toward the right side of the shorts and press around the opening. To secure the folded cuff, top stitch on the side seam and inseam 3/4 inch long to secure the cuff and prevent it from flipping. Give a nice press all around the shirred waist, side seam, cuff, and remove any wrinkles to complete this Evie shirred high waist shorts. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Evie shorts with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next sewing adventure. Share your favorite DIY pieces on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us more DIY clothing inspirations. See you all in the next tutorial. Bye!